bench na parliament na meka minority caucus na say there has been some concerns of late say ohwe numbers Ashanti region edema MPP omu nya hu faso parliament say minority leader Afenyo Markin, deputy Patricia Apiaje ohwe whips so anodom prayer and afi so Shaibu ono Bawe Weja Bawe member of parliament on the ticket of the MPP oko deputy speakers na one that is Fomena from the Ashanti region MPP I mean some among especially Obiti say are you a free has been talking say as a omenya fair treatment from the National Council we share numbers of them party 40 MPs but still they are not seeing that we know parliament what are you saying
first of all the National Council in the appointed proposal especially considering what has happened more parliament will be women be also so who are possible that I stay the National Council the main people on the parliamentarians we are not concerned with we are concerned themselves which most of our people if you say pay attention to that pay attention to that so many other places now something they know more say more World Bank and more baby which is more they are also maybe I'm going Masamba so we take it the opinion and when the National Council appointing leadership of the parliament the parliamentarians appointing leaders so many standing all the same constitution I'm going to the National Council baby even National Council some crowd now among European leaders will be responsible in reality into the India coming and moving. They say the National Council will track around Kofa by into the answer. It is still a mention. The question National Council and the president in charge of the by all sides of the people. The woman Casa will be two you can do. What I say, because almost also on the idea because on the idea that I'm not parliament that National Council but the National Council and them cry. We are appointed parliamentarians responsibilities. No, so be more parliament and you see I go ahead the news out to be on person the usually National Council we are covering for the medicine. So that is the problem. After marking, National Council. But you know, for marking, you are also these are no concern. Anyway, a dear putting all the things happen to say you see. All you know is it, yes, and they must. Because all you know, Parliament will count you. So, the dear being only here, and so on, maybe. When you drink coffee, I say, only no leader. When you know leader, no what man part you say, it's also a good leader. You some leader. Before people for now. The American, my dear Caesar. I want to present us. So the ability to so say constituency, we need a small margin. So I'm one of the after our council that is clear. If you are not going to be as a cover capture, you won't be money. What is only 8 money, one coffee. What would be one out here? You can see it. Come on, you can take posters and you can see.
Ebimo ewo menase poka krase maybe some people, leaders of the party, no man to me and defend it at the national council level. You say Omo about GFK, then say no sen could defend the Nanka Ashanti region heavily represented at the bench because of numbers, you know. Omo Bonana B din ebimu kura susu say ase still no nipa bi pese omo twe party ni free Ashanti region had the call baby fufro na omunya firm control of the party sana hu no
we do Ashanti region it's impossible it's a high, it's a tall order, what I say. It is already NPP ako region. Now see, on the clear, and yet to say the Sunday about Santo. I can't do for no one to say. You only party, they are Santo for parties, and we are coming or yapping. Do you the real and this? No, didn't concern her. They are very wholesome to see. To see the party was here, you know, the promo. We are look, let's say, in trouble. The same is you need to know. The organization to and so we know. Because I am family around or choosing the papa be back custom at Tunasu, the Samba. If the man living around fast outcomes, no one Samba. You know, we join and doesn't. So we do. But we can know me in charge of the same day. So, my other than let's not cast me what big guys. When you can't, it's not your responsibility. You don't have the power to appoint MPs in Parliament. You don't. If they don't know that, I'm telling them now. They don't. They will backfire. Because people don't know party in MPs. You look at the speaker say, because you can't be a minister. I think it's good anyway. It's all speaker here to make trouble in everything. I don't know. No. And that's actually a notice to get them. Get them. The Western Council should stay out. Let them do their work.
Doc, I said that earlier.
No, this matter.
All right, Dr. Amakumba ena yeneno ekotwetwe enkomo no. Ye be ko parliament bio ohun. Na medikan kan say Enra from Enra na juna bisi anopai why busy. Me no ka say de o ma break kakra but na ombesa back parliament besa tena say na fi